Hi, I'm Steve Hughes with Pragmatic Works. Welcome to another edition of Azure Every Day. We are looking today at what about these relational database things you guys have all the time for those data warehouses. You know, when we do all this technology, we've been doing it a long time, our first thought is, hey, what do I need to do to build my star schema and data warehouse? Well, let's think about that for a minute. With the advent of new technology that we have in place today, especially in Azure and in HD Insight, let's talk about three technologies that break the rules. Those three technologies I want to talk about today are HD Insight. HD Insight with Spark in particular. Do you realize HD Insight with Spark can give us ETL? It can bring to light a lot of machine learning, a lot of other technology in place, so we no longer have a dependency on SSIS. Yes, I did say it out loud. You don't have to use SSIS to do ETL into your big data story. The other technology that's out there is Azure Data Lake. Where would you store this data? This data can be stored in Azure Data Lake. What will it cost you? Will it cost you a lot of money? Not really. How hard is it to work with? Not that hard. And now you have an opportunity to actually look at putting all your data in that storage. Why does it matter? Once your data is in that storage, it doesn't matter where it comes from or how it looks or what it is. It will give you the ability to store any type of data in that space, including real-time data. Have you ever considered putting real-time data into your data warehouse? Do you understand that streaming data in your data warehouse would break everything we consider conventional? So I would not put that in a relational data warehouse. Let's move that on over to this Hadoop structure in Azure Data Lake. Also, we need to talk about the biggest issue that comes up when we're dealing with Hadoop structured data warehouses. And that issue is, well, I got it in there, how do I get it out? And I want to talk about the third set of technologies that really make a difference there, and that is also part of HD Insight, but it's Interactive Hive and it's Spark SQL. Why do those matter? Those matter because everyday report writers and users are not going to learn how to do MapReduce and all these other technologies to make us really cool big data science people. But what they want to do is they need to build a report. Data warehouses are about building reports. If I can't build a report, I can't build a data warehouse. So in this case, these type of technologies bring us into a place where we can actually write SQL against those data structures and not care where it came from, how it got there, what type of data format is it in. It doesn't matter. We actually apply the schema after the fact. It also means that the same data that we put in our data lake can be used in multiple types of scenarios. So these technologies have come about changing the landscape of what data warehouses are made of. Can you get rid of your relational data warehouse? Are you looking at possibly doing a major update to your data warehouse? Do you want to modernize? Would you like to get into big data? Any of those things are questions that we can help answer. Click on the link below for more information. Thanks for joining us.